Alright guys, I don't know if you can see me, but I got the GoPro mount on. I got the little head mount on. It's a little POV. Let me connect my phone. Gotta chill in the neighborhood before the HOA starts bitching. It's a little POV. 4 Scats. Just chilling, bro. We're just cruising, man. We're cruising. Shouldn't be a long ass drive. We're going to Bucky's. This is the first POV video. Let me know if you like it, guys. Let me know if the camera's too high. Can you see my arm right? But yeah, you already know, bro. We gotta be in sport mode, bro. We gotta be in sport mode. Hey, but let me put on the traction control, bro. I'm not trying to die today. He should turn around. He should pull up.
Testing. System ready.
That bitch is hitting that curve, bro. Gotta make sure she ain't coming through. Gotta keep up with the pack, bro. I uploaded that video. It's been like 6 days now, and it's gotten like 500, maybe 600 views by the time this goes up. Thanks for all the views and the likes. I think it's like 40 likes maybe. I'm at the very back, bro. As you can see, the windows are now tinted. My car is a little dirty, I'm so sorry. I got this today. I got this radar detector today. I haven't set it up or anything like that, but I do be speeding, I'm not gonna lie. I try to keep it moderate, or I try to keep it on the low, but it is what it is. Let me take this out the thing. We're just in a little bit of traffic. We're not going too far. Like I said, we're going to Bucky's. Bucky's is like 15-20 minutes away. But you got me, and you got the gang, the 3 other guys in the Scats. 2 matching, I gotta say matching, bro, orange edition or orange package Scat Pack Widebody'S, bro. That's cool. And then you got the bros, Go Mango Orange, and I don't know what the blue one is called, or the color for it, or Frostbite Blue, I think it's what it's called, Frostbite Blue. You see my boy with the GoPro. It's 5 o'clock traffic, I guess, so we're gonna be hitting some traffic here and there, but it's just a little drive, bro. It's just a little drive with the boys. I mean, nothing major, you know. We'll do a little pull here and there on the freeway. We'll get out there, you know what I'm saying? We'll get out there and the speed and whatnot. Damn, bro, that orange pops, man. Bro, hopefully they update it up here. Alright, let's push it a little bit. There's a lot of sun, man. car is fun, bro. It's the Bucky's. We already went indoors a little bit. We got a snack or two, a drink, and whatnot. But as you can tell, we outside with it. Both Scats up there, both Scats over here, and yeah, we're just gonna be chilling, bro. Look at the little Jeep. Used to be really into Jeeps, all white TJ. But yeah, we finna just cruise. I don't know if we're just gonna go, if we're gonna just be over there and just park and chill, or if we're gonna go to like the entrance where everybody can see us. I'll keep y'all updated with what we do. Hopefully y'all got to see us coming here. And I think I hit like 102. Like we only went like 3 miles to get to Bucky's. Yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. Peace. Yo, we still out here in Bucky's, just chilling. 4 Scat packs. We can't make like a louder noise because then it'll kick us out and whatnot. But we got a little view, a little Lake Bucky's, sewer water Bucky's or whatever. But
snakes in area.
Hey, yo, no swimming, snakes in area. All right, so this is his Scat Pack Wide Body Orange Edition, and exactly like mine. Sunroof, orange stripes, black tie badges, orange badges. A little BMW over there. This is it's Frostbite, right? Yeah. Frostbite. He just put on the black stripes, right?
Rally stripes.
Rally stripes, you want to call them? It's a stock Scat base model. You know, no hate about the base model. You know, no hate towards you guys, but you know, good color. Tinted out the tail lights. Looks pretty nice. He got rid of the Dodge letters as well. Yeah, take a look at it. Regular cloth seats. I think he got 20s, 15s all around. This one's mine. So same with this one. This is the Go Mango. Same thing with the rally stripes on it. Exactly like that one, I guess. Both base model Scats. He doesn't have the back tinted. He just has the stripes and the tints on the windows. I don't know if this is 15 or 20. You know, just chilling. My roof can be open. What about it, Lewis? What's wrong with my roof being open?
I'm just asking, just a fucking question, man.
It's just open. It's open to be open, you know. But yeah, they got. Let me see. They got one GoPro over there. I'm recording on one GoPro, and like you saw the other one, the other GoPro is at on the trunk of this Scat. So we'll do a little bit more riding. It's getting dark, coming night time and whatnot. So we'll see if we can get a little bit of clips for you guys. Oh, let me get a thumbnail. What about the way, Lewis? Oh, it's too wide. I'm trying to get a thumbnail real quick. Cool. Maybe I'll do one like this over here. This is cool. All right, if you guys can see, like, I don't know if you can see how crazy my hair looks right now, but you guys on. Let it go real quick. Got the cola, bro. Can't forget the bev. That's a nice van. Probably a camper van type shit. One thing I don't like, maybe I can just fix it. Keep that car low-key, cut him off. You already know. I gotta keep putting him back into sport mode. I gotta turn my traction control on, bro. But hopefully my boy don't lose his GoPro in the back. I thought they weren't gonna get stuck behind. Bro, this mid muffler delete, bro, it just makes the car sound fire. A nice X7. Here he comes. Under the bridge. I try not to step on it too heavy, cause this Scat has 550 miles. So you know, try not to beat it too much. Time to go, man. That lady driving like this, bro. Are we exiting? I don't know if we're exiting or we're staying. This thing is heavy as heck, bro. But the sound is crazy. Like under this bridge. Under this bridge, we better step on it. See how loud it gets. Light's about to turn green. See real quick. It is crazy loud, bro. Alright guys, I don't know how good you can see me right now, but the sun did go down on us, so we're just going home. A little Challenger, a little SXT, but we're going home now. So we did have a fun cruise. We got some flyby shots on the GoPro. Turn on the light real quick. I don't know how good the audio quality is going to be since the GoPros were outside and we were doing drive-by shots. So hopefully they're okay. We'll still use them. If they're not, we'll just put a little bit of music over. Yeah, but overall, it was a pretty fun cruise with the boys, man. I'm not gonna cap. We were on the freeway for a little bit. We didn't do too much cutting up. But we did cut up a little bit. It wasn't nothing major. Hopefully y'all like this video. Please comment, like, subscribe. That's it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. My current Instagram is 2017JKU. It may change later on, but that's it. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Peace out.